Sohal Welding and Arc Flow, a complete solution for scaffolding. Presence automatic inner prop internal threading machine. Pneumatic controlled machine having different pressure setting for job clamp and feed. Easy to operate touchscreen control panel. Having manual and auto modes. Forward and reverse rotation feature. One-click auto cycle start. Machine fitted with Allen guideways for smooth operation. Auto home after job done. Sohal Welding and Arc Flow, a complete solution for scaffolding.